Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this pastel egg charm in Fish It game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, this is how the pastel egg charm looks like, and if you want to get this charm, you need to go to the Easter cave. You can unlock the Easter cave after you completing the Easter egg hunt quest. You need to find a hidden eggs and you will unlock this Easter cave. You can watch my previous video if you don't know how to find the hidden eggs. Okay, I'm going to go to the Easter cave and I'm going to show you guys where you can buy the charm. Okay, just go to this area and you can buy the charm right here. Okay, wait guys. Okay, this is the pastel egg charm location and you need 10k coins to buy this charm. And you can use it to help you to get um the eggy enchant stone, I guess, or just to boost your luck in fishing. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the pastel egg charm in Fish It game of Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.